Barclays Bank Kenya has recorded less than 1% increase in net profit for the first quarter of 2019 compared to a similar period in 2018. The group's net profit from the quarter rose from 1.88 billion shillings to 1.9 billion, while the net interest income dropped from 5.46 billion shillings to 5.39 billion, which is a 1.3% drop. In the quarter, the non-performing loans have gone up by 1.39 billion shillings to stand at 4.97 billion compared to a similar period last year. The firm lent out 180.5 billion shillings, up from 165.5 billion in 2018 quarter one, and customers deposited 224 billion shillings against 193 billion. One of the main causes of the marginal improvement is that 243 million shilling one-off deduction for costs to be incurred in the transition from Barclays to ABSA. These, the lender says, are to cover investment in systems required to be separated, transitional service agreements costs to be paid to Barclays PLC during the separation, and rebranding costs. Now, if this one-off deduction was not factored in, the lender would have made a 13.8% increment in net profit and not the 0.9% it made.